In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 mini, and let me show you how to personalize notifications previews on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then find and select notifications, and here you will notice show previews. Smoothly click on it, and now you can decide if you would like to have the previews always, only when your screen is unlocked, or never. So if you will pick this one, here you've got the whole description, so once you pick when unlocked, notification previews will only be shown when iPhone is unlocked. Obviously, if you will pick never, they will be never shown. And just pick the option that you want to have, that you want to apply to your Apple iPhone 12 mini. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.